Today, I'll walk you through how to use Google Sheets to make a bar graph comparison chart, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a visually appealing bar graph so you can effectively compare data at a glance. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, look for the grid icon in the upper right corner, which represents Google Apps. Click on that icon. This will give you access to various Google services, including Google Sheets. Next, click on the Sheets icon to open Google Sheets. This is where all the magic happens. If you have an existing sheet that you want to work with, go ahead and open it now. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionalities remain the same. Now select the cells that you want to visualize in your bar graph. This is similar to picking the ingredients for a recipe. You want to choose the right data to create a delicious visual representation. Once you've highlighted the relevant cells, it's time to insert your chart. Click on the Insert menu at the top of the page. This is where you can add various elements to your sheet, including charts. From the drop-down menu, select Chart. Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart based on your selected data. How convenient is that? Now you may want to change the chart type to better suit your needs. Click on the chart that appears and then look for the chart type option in the chart editor on the right side of your screen. Here you can choose from various options, but for our purposes, we want to select the bar graph. Once you've selected the bar graph, you can further customize it. Click on the Customize tab in the chart editor. This is where you can adjust various aspects of your chart, such as colors, labels, and more. Next, click on Series within the Customize menu. This allows you to modify specific elements of your bar graph. For example, you can change the line thickness to make your bars stand out more. Adjusting the line thickness is like choosing the right frame for a picture. It enhances the overall look of your chart. Finally, select the thickness you prefer, such as 4 pixels, to give your bars a bolder appearance. And there you have it. You've successfully created a bar graph comparison chart in Google Sheets. This visual tool will help you present your data in a clear and engaging way, making it easier for your audience to understand the insights you want to share. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.